Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Design Basics. Today I will give you a demonstration of using sketch pen and paper for online teaching using Google Meet. So as you know that in Google Meet we need to have some sort of writing device or pen tablet or touch screen device. So it is difficult to teach online if you don't have these devices. Here I am going to give you one easy way to do this online teaching using A4 sheet, sketch pen. Other things required for this is a smartphone and a laptop. So I will be using smartphone and laptop for logging in Gmeet using two different accounts. I'll show you the complete setup of taking online classes using Gmeet and using pen and paper for writing purpose. So first of all, let us log in into the Google Meet. So to start Gmeet, go to meet.google.com and log in with your one of the account. Then click on start a meeting. Here you turn off the camera and microphone and then join. Click on join now. Now add people option will come and here you add another Gmail ID of yours. So here I am adding my other Gmail ID and sending a request. Click on send mail. Now the invitation is sent and invitation can be seen in the smartphone. In a smartphone you have to download the Google Meet from the Play Store and log in with other account. So you can see the invitation here and open the invitation. Click on join meeting. It will open in Gmeet app in your smartphone and you can see here this is the front camera. Here you can log in with the camera and microphone switched on and click on join meeting. So you can see the notification over here when you join. Now since we have opened the front camera, so you can see all the videos of front camera. So I'll just go to my own account here in a smartphone and touch the camera and you will have three dot here. Take option from there and switch the camera. So when you switch the camera, the back camera will be switched on. So whatever you will do here, it will be recorded with the back camera and can be displayed on the laptop screen. Now since this orientation is portrait, we have to change the orientation so that the full screen on laptop can be shown. For that we have to just turn this. If auto rotate is on, it will automatically rotate in this direction, but here auto rotate is not on. So what I will do is, here there is an option of rotating it, so you can rotate the camera and then this can be fixed on some stand. So you can see my setup here. I have put the smartphone on this stand and whatever is there on the table, it can be seen on the laptop screen, and if I write there, it will be displayed on the laptop screen. Now here to see this screen on laptop, since I have only two users here and I am speaking from this, so this will come on the main screen. But if there are several users, then you can mute all other users and go to this particular user, which is me, and there is an option of pinning it to the main screen. So if you click on that, it will be always on the main screen. So you can ask your students to pin this particular user to the screen, so that even if somebody else is speaking, this particular screen will be always on the main screen. Now I will show you if I write how it looks. So here let's write something and see how it appears. So you can see whatever I am writing is appearing on the screen, and it is good to see by the student that when you are speaking and writing together, they will be able to hear it as well as they will be able to see it. So it is one of the best option for teaching in online class mode. So I hope this video will help you in understanding how to use pen and paper for taking online classes. In case if you don't have a stand, you can use some homemade stand and manage to keep camera overhead and right below, so that it can be converted into whiteboard teaching. Thank you.